they love their insects and their bugs. And to encourage our bird life, we want to make sure they're having nice and happy, healthy stomachs as well. So thank you guys. I think these two have done well. Banjo has done an excellent job, and they will join me very shortly. Coming home, yeah, they're really good at coming home. But what we might do is we're going to go home together. It's quite warm. They're going to have a nice dirty water bath. Get all nice and muddy, and Chantel will be ready with your next bird very shortly. So. There you are.
Goes. Hey.
So cheeky. So cheeky. Would you like to come here? Come on, you can move this leg up. Very good.